How to design a Shopify store with AI. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can replicate any website with AI. And this is going to revolutionize how easy it is to build websites. You can take inspiration from any type of website and you can easily convert it and create it as your own. So let's jump right in. Now, how are we going to do this? Well, we're going to be doing this with the beta feature on GemPages. GemPages AI is a new tool that is pretty amazing because it allows you to take any design that you like and make it your own. We're going to do this step by step so it's easy for all of us to follow along. To get started, simply head on over to Shopify. And once you open up Shopify, you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings on the bottom left, you are going to click on Apps and Sales Channels and open up the Shopify App Store. Once you've opened up the Shopify App Store, simply search for GemPages. Now, GemPages has this simple application that you can integrate into Shopify. This is a free application where you can create one published page, clean UI, and email and chat support. So we're just going to click on install over here, and this will open up a new tab where you're going to click on install to confirm the installation of GemPages onto your Shopify store. Now, once you have done that, you can pin this to your navigation on the left. And once you have pinned this to your navigation, you can get started with building your page. Now, from here, you're going to first enable the GemPages application in your theme. So you're going to click on Turn on Shopify Editor on the top. And on the top left, you will see GemPages is going to get enabled as an app. Click on Save over here. Once you've done that, your page is now saved and it will now be able to make changes within Shopify. Now from here, you can see on the left, you have pages. Now you can choose a page, you can edit a pre-existing page with that, or you can create a new page. Other than that, you can see over here that you can export or import pages as well. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking AI tools, GemPages' AI tool, and create a new page. So I have simply copied and opted to build a new page. And from here, this will open up the GemPages page builder. You're going to click on Image Layout AI on the left, and you can simply see you have Image to Layout AI. And you're just going to select that, and you can directly upload a screen cap. Or if you want, you can just click on the URL and you can copy and paste the URL. So I want to be recreating this Feastables website. I'm just going to copy the Feastables link and paste that over here. Once I paste this link over here, this will allow me to copy this design onto my store. I'm going to click on generate over here, and it might take a little while depending on how large or how extensive the page is or how complicated it might be. You will also see on the right, you have a couple of layout guidelines for GemAI where it's going to show you some of the best practices. Now you guys can see this has basically taken all of these sections and it has been replicating all of these. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on generate. And now this has generated the entire section. It has basically duped the entire Feastables website. And from here, I can get started with my own customizations. Now, once all of the pages have been created, obviously it might look a bit glitchy at first. You're going to have to optimize this, but we can see over here that we have this banner, which I'm going to delete first. And from here, you guys can see it has taken the image. Then below that, we have our secondary banner. And this website is really image based. So I might want to choose a different website. I'm going to create a new page from scratch. And again, I'm going to be using the AI tool. And this time, let's go for something that is not as image based because you guys can see their entire website is very much image based. I'm going to go on to the official Apple website and let's see how the GemPages AI is going to perform. So I'm going to go on ahead and paste the link over here. And I'm just going to click on generate over here. And once we click on generate, this will generate the website for us. And I'm going to click on generate. And just like that, it is now generating these sections. I definitely do think this is going to be a better look for us. Yeah, because you guys can see this website is not structured around images. It's more so structured in different content sections. So let's say I have eyeshadows, create vibrant looks, and luxurious looks. And after that, we have two buttons. I'm going to delete one of these, and I am going to also delete the element section. So I'm just going to delete that. And then below that, we have an image. So I am going to remove that image and upload my own from the left side over here. And I'm just going to be using this eyeshadow image. And after that, I'm going to scroll down. I think this image is a bit too large, so I might want to crop that as well. You guys can see the options to also not display the image on elements such as tablets or mobile devices. But below that, what I'm going to do is we can, structure each element accordingly. Now, this is obviously going to be a bit time consuming. You have to work step by step in every section. But not only does GemPages AI allow you to create these amazing websites in under 10 minutes, but you can also create this section. So let's say we have this section over here. What you can do is if you select any type of section within GemPages, you can click on AI content and you can simply describe to GemPages where you want to create a particular section for. So let's say this is a new section where I want to use AI. So I am going to create this one. I'll just click on copy, and then I'm going to add a blank section. Then I'm going to add AI content where I want to write about how diverse our makeup collection, write about how diverse our makeup colors are. And I want this to be persuasive. And the product that I want to promote in this are these liquid lipsticks, and I can just click on generate over here. And now not only will it take into account the overall theme that this particular website is already following, but it is going to create a section accordingly with my own content, with my own products. And this is why it's so unbelievably amazing that we are now able to do this with a tool like GemPages. However, keep in mind that I have created this as a new page, but if you are creating this as your primary pages, you do have to just ensure that everything is linked correctly, because obviously the templates are going to be templates and you have to customize them on your own. So once you have completed your customizations, you can click on preview page on the top right to preview this page, click on save to save it, and then you can click on publish to publish this new page in your Shopify store. You can also create things like home pages or product page templates within GemPages as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you're now able to create a Shopify store or design your store with the help of GemPages AI. If you did find it helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.